Alright guys, I'm fully aware that this brow is hella high than this one, but whatever. I posted a video on my vlog channel this morning. Today's Friday. Today's the 14th of February of July, and I made a video. I made it the day before, the Thursday, and I posted it for the Friday on my vlog channel. And my vlog channel, sorry. Now my vlog channel is called Lyric Uncut, and this is by no means promotion for my vlog channel. I'm just doing this video on my LyricRochester channel because it has more it has a wider subscriber base, same views but a wider subscriber base. And it's just oh, and hi, good evening. And you guys wanted me to put it over here on my LyricRochester channel, and I really have no problems doing that. I am disassociating myself from Jeffree Star and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I was watching his Snapchat on Thursday, and he was talking about the whole Nicki Tutorials thing, and the fact that they both had the same title. And I think she had made a comment on Twitter or something, but he's like, I didn't see what you post because I blocked her on Twitter. And when he said that, I was like, what is going on in the beauty industry? Because I'm so detached. Like I used to watch drama channels. Like if something happened, I'm like, oh, did that really happen? And I YouTube it and I find a drama channel, you know. So that's how I would watch drama channels. I wouldn't sit and binge watch and go, girl, I got receipts, bubble. Like let me just screenshot this, send it to John Cooking. Like, no, that's that's not what I do. But if someone come up and I want a bit more insight, then I YouTube it. And when I YouTube it, the drama channel will usually come up. So I was YouTubing, you know, beef between Jeffree Star and Nicki Tutorials. Jeffree Star blocks Nicki Tutorials, and I couldn't find anything on that recent thing, I guess because nobody knew about it until he said that he got her, that he has her blocked. But then some other things started popping up, and one of the things that stuck out to me was Twitter conversation or argument between him and Jackie Aina. Now, if you guys do not know Jackie Aina, girl, and if you don't know Jackie Aina and you are, then girl, what is you doing with your life? Jackie Aina, somebody reminded me on my Lyric Uncut channel that she was makeup game on point as well. So Jackie Aina was Lil Pumpkin Pile 5. The makeup game on point. Then Jackie O, and then she's now I'm blushing like I know her personally. I know she is Jackie Aina. Why am I saying I know she is Jackie Aina. Her fan base, her reach has grown exponentially. I'm just like, yes baby, do it. Show me I can do it, bubble. Like, she has one. My memory card got full, so I forgot what I was saying, but basically, yeah, she was makeup game on point and stuff, and she's been doing really well for herself. She's been going on all these beautiful trips with the other more mainstream beauty vloggers, or beauty gurus as we used to call them. Now we'll call them influencers. I mean, the YouTube game has changed so much. But this video is basically about me, as I said before, disassociating myself with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you watch my vlog, you'd have seen that I destroyed 2 of his products. I bought 3, but I tried to destroy that lip, matte lippy, but it just wasn't budging. My scissors weren't sharp enough. So I had bought this summer collection. I've never worn it because the colors weren't really wearable. The colors aren't really wearable, but I just bought it because it looks pretty. And yeah, and this is my personal beauty kit. If you follow my other channel, my Lyric Uncut channel, you'd have seen where I destroyed, oh, what is mask it up, my other beauty killer palette. Alright, I'm about to make a mess, but I'm just doing this to publicly disassociate myself from Jeffree Star Cosmetics because, sorry, my camera just stopped. It's been doing this stop thingy, but I'm just publicly disassociating myself. And the thing with him and Jackie Aina, where I am now with Jeffree Star is like, now I believe the racist allegations. You understand? Like, I believe it. Oh my god, it's a mess. Look at me, I'm a mess. Yeah, so I publicly promoted him, supported him here on my channel about his stuff. I've done videos of him, looks of him, inspired looks of him, and I know a lot of you guys are saying I told you so, or yeah man I go that for reach you, yeah man you love likes. I know a lot of you Jamaicans that is are saying that, but as I said over there, I say here, I had to kind of find out on my own. You know what I mean? I had to kind of sift for myself, because I really didn't believe, because I believe that people can change. I believe that people don't have to remain the same, and if you were away a couple years ago or even a month ago, you can be a different person to this very day, on this very second, you know? So that's what I believe for Jeffrey, and I supported him avidly. But for some reason, strangely enough, I had stopped watching his videos for about a month. I still followed him on Snapchat, and I would watch 1 and 2 videos, but I had stopped like religiously watching his videos. Now, as I said on my Lyric Uncut channel, it's just such a shame, because he truly inspires me, in the sense that, providing his story is true, in the sense that he came from nothing to something, you know, and he's just like proving that, listen, you can come from sleeping on people's couches, spending your last money on designer items just to keep up with the Joneses, to just doing your own thing, you know what I mean? I will not touch on anybody's insecurity, because I still have my insecurities. But when he came at Jacqueline with that tweet, and if you watch Karina Kaboom, I'll link her channel in the description bar below. If you watch her video, you'll see what I'm talking about. And it's when I was searching for the whole Nikki tutorials and Jeffree Star thing that I found that video of hers, and I was just completely shocked. And if she had not shown us those screenshots of how he degraded I almost call her Jacqueline, but of how he degraded Jackie, Aina, and how he spoke about she hasn't paid her taxes in 3 years, and she needs to worry about her wedding, and she's a rat, and her channel is dead. I'm just like, bro, her channel, oh, I need to get rid of these. I'm like, her channel is not dead. What are you talking about? Jackie, can it come out this way? I don't know how to destroy. I don't know how to destroy these. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I just felt really bad, because one, I couldn't believe that he was, it's like he is racist, you know what I mean? And she had even said that, you know, she didn't think that, or I think it was Karina who was told us that she said that she, oh look, it's pouring out, okay, that, you know, like Jacqueline was, you know, almost on his side at one point, until, you know, him just start for showing colors. And the truth is, the truth will always win out. It will always win out. The truth will always come to the top. And what I'm seeing now, it's clear to me that it's disappointing, but I can no longer support Jeffree Star or Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Am I saying that, am I going to stop watching his snaps? I don't know if I'm going to stop watching his snaps, because he really does inspire me in that aspect. But for him to come at Jackie like that, it was just so bitter and aggressive. It's as if your best friend screwed you over, and you're like, bitch, I got some tea for you, or yes, boo, I'ma expose. It was like, it was almost that mentality. And I was just shocked when I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, I was wrong. I was wrong. And Jeffrey is who he is, and I'm not calling any names, but there are other people who they're just not the same anymore, you know, since hanging out with him. I get that Jeffrey's a very influential person, but even Nikita, I don't see her talking about him. And when they had, oh my gosh, I hope I don't become one of those gossip channels, but when they had the thing, they were supposed to be at some fundraiser or whatever, or another dinner for a brand. Jeffrey specifically said I was supposed to be there with my friends, the country girl, I forget her name, and Manny, but he did not call Nikita's name, and Nikita was there. And that raised a flag in me, and I'm like, oh my god, maybe they're no longer friends. Maybe Nikita is no longer friends with him. You guys saw how Kat Von D publicly disassociated herself from him. Then he came back with another video, and it was, for me, it was kind of, who do you believe? And I believe that he truly changed, but he hasn't. And I have done collabs with Jackie Aina. See, I'm blushing again whenever I call her name. I'm just so proud, like a mom, like I'm saying, ah, there's my baby. Yes, she got honors, degrees, everything, honey. She got a PhD, baby. That's my baby. Go on, baby. You know, I feel like a proud mom, just blushing. And I know a lot of us black beauty vloggers think she has sold out, or that she's selling out, or that she's become brand mainstream. I'm like, yo, keep that shit to yourself. Like, Jackie is doing it. Jackie is showing me, this little Jamaican girl who was stuck 103,000 for almost 4 months now. This little Jamaican girl, that it can be done. Oh, and having collaborated with her, I just know that that's just how she's raised. And even her response to Jeffrey, it was not even bitchy or nothing. It was just like, oh honey, are you coming for me? I think not. It was very demure, it was very controlled. It was just Jackie, you know. And I've been binge watching her videos and like her hair, oh my god. And I just recently refollowed her on Snapchat. I don't know why I unfollowed her on Snapchat. I go through phases. But I had unfollowed her on Snapchat, and now I'm following her back on Snapchat. Oh, I noticed it. I caught feelings because I was following her. I was like, oh, she's following me. And then she was like, oh, how do you not follow me? Unfollow. So I caught feelings, but then I follow her back. It's not that big of a deal. We all catch feelings. Don't make me feel like I'm the only one, please. Don't make me feel like I'm the only one. We all catch feelings. And I caught feelings for sometimes, and it's just, I thank Karina for, you know, for making that video, because if she had made that video, I would not have seen the foolishness that was taking place. So I introduced him here on my channel to some of you, to a good amount of you, and you guys have bought because of me, and I bought because I was supporting him because of what I knew then. This is what I know now. So it's just sad, and I really hope this don't come off as a dissing video or nothing. But, and I'm so extra, as I said in my vlog channel, because I did not have to destroy the palettes or the lip or anything, but I had to do this. It's like a cleansing for me. I introduced him to some of you guys. I bought his shit with my own money, so to prove that I have disassociated myself with him, it's just my public display, you know, of my disassociation. And it's just so sad. It's just so sad, because I really, you have to understand, I truly, he inspires me, and I really believe that everything was a lie, you know. And the more people, also be careful of who you watch here on YouTube and who you support. And if you hear anything negative, go with your gut, because I went with my gut, and I didn't want to unsubscribe, I didn't want to unfollow, and I continued buying more makeup from him. But no, when I watched that video, I'm now going with my gut. I'm going with my gut. I'm like, alright girl, I need to make this public, let the people know you no longer support him. Zine, and some of you on my vlog channel were saying that I shouldn't delete the videos that I made of him, like makeup videos and stuff, because you guys are saying that it shows my growth from then to now. But then I'm thinking, but suppose other people watch it and think that I'm supporting him, they start cussing me out, you know. But I guess it doesn't really matter. I guess what matters is now, and this video that I'm making, and I really hope Jackie Aina sees this video, or she sees both of them. This video is a bit more controlled, and I'm kind of choosing my words a bit more carefully, choosing my words carefully, because this is the channel that brands contact me through, and not necessarily my vlog channel. My vlog channel, I'm very more like whatever, but this is the promote me, you know. So that's why I have my vlog channel, because my vlog channel, I'm like no makeup, let's just do this. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm a mess. And you know what, guys, I'll talk to you in the next video, which honestly will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on my vlog channel, I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you're subscribed to both channels, you get a new video from me every single day. That's the aim. Nothing on the weekends. But yeah, this video will go up is either today, Friday, or tomorrow, Saturday. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Yeah? In the out here. Am I right over here?